channel, CSU Educations. Previous class, I have discussed about the topic solution of differential equation of type 2, 1 and 2. I have now discussed the another type of solutions of differential equations. Okay, alright. Now, I am in the discussed now type in the 3 of differential solution of a differential equation in the type 3. Okay, alright. In the differential equation is the form of dy by dx equals to f of x in the multiplication of g of y, okay, or f of x divided by g of y. So separation in the variable factor first of all. So here dy by g of y equals to integration f of x of d of x. Now integrating both sides, dy by g of y equals to integrations of f of x of. Alright. Now this value implies that is the value suppose capital G of y equals to f of x plus c. That is the answer of this type of differential equation. I am keeping examples of this type of differential equation type of 3. Suppose the question is dy by dx equals to 1 plus of x square of 1 plus of y square now. Okay. The multiplication problem of x and y, so that firstly given data dy by dx equals to 1 plus of x square of 1 plus of y square. Now separation the variable, so y dy by dx equals to this 1 plus x square and 1 plus y square. Now dy divided by 1 plus of y square here equals to 1 plus x square in of dx. I am just converted the y factor in the y form and x factor in the x form. So now next step is integrating both sides. So dy by 1 plus of y square equals to 1 integrations of 1 plus of x square of dx. Now this value implies that dy divided by 1 plus y square, that means it is the formula of integration is here tan inverse of y equals to 1 in the integration of x plus x cube divided by 3 plus c. There is your answer. Okay. And this type of problem, another question is discuss about that. Suppose your question is solve dy by dx equals to 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus of y square, or answer it here now. dy by dx divided by dx 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus y square. Now the value is now dy of 1 plus of y square equals to 1 plus of x square of dx. Integrating both sides, so 1 plus y square of dy equals to integration of 1 plus of x square of dx. Now this implies x plus y cube divided by 3 equals to y plus y cube divided by 3 equals to x plus x cube divided by 3 plus of c. Your answer. Here is the type of 3 of example 2. Okay. Type 4. In the type 4, the differential equation is the form of form of d2y by dx2 equal to, suppose f of x, so d by dx of dy by dx equals to f of x d of f of x dx. Now integrating both sides, d of dy by dx equals to, in the integration f of x dx. So the value is now dy by dx equals to f1 of x plus c1. Now again this value is converted to dy equals to f1x plus of c1 of dx. Now integrating both sides, dy equals to f2x plus c1x, y equals to f2x plus c1x plus c2. The solution of type 2. Okay. Sorry, type 4. I have solved the related examples here. Suppose your questions is solve d2y by dx2 equals to 0. Now, firstly given data d2y by dx2 0, d by dx of d by dx of 0. Now converted d of dy by dx equals to here 0 of dx. Now integrating both sides, d of dy by dx equals to integration 0 of dx. Now dy by dx equals to, in the integration d of something value something. Okay, so 0 of something, that means 0 of dx, that means the value of 0 is dx, that means constant. Okay, now in the integration, some students are in the integration of 0, value is also a constant. Now dy by dx equal to c, so that dy equals to c of dx. The integration dy equals to here c of dx. Integration y equals to c of x plus or p. Another. There is the examples of type 4. I am today explaining two variety type of type 3 and 4. Discuss the different type of differential equations and some examples. Any problem or any doubts, share my channels, CSC equations, and comment me, like and view. To next video, I am sure about this problem or any problem your doubt clearing in the PDF form I am put here. Okay, this channels. Okay, thank you.